Healthcare sector fagat hanbada nursing gi thodang yamna chawi nurse tambagi chang yamna wangna urabasu India da natana malem gi oina nurse gi awat pa chawnga leidi haina RIMS gi director Dr. Guru Aribam Sunil Kumar Sharma na phongdokre wafam asi ngasi the Trained Nurses Association of India TNNI amadi Student Nurses Association of India SNA Manipur State Branch na sinduna pangthokiba ahanba annual conference of TNI Manipur State Branch 2024 Our nurses, our future, the economic power of care haiba hiramda RIMS ki Jubilee Hall da pangthokiba thauram maduga mari leina phongdokibani thauram maduda RIMS ki director Guru Aribam Sunil Kumar TNAI gi president and Tangbi M Philip Mahegi director Dr. Ilsa Sanatombi Manipur Nursing Council gi registrar Dr. A Jamuna RIMS ki chief nursing officer and Bemhal Jenims ki nursing superintendent M Jibolata amadi TNAI Manipur State Branch ki secretary TS Binodini su saruk yake thoramadugi manung channa ahanba TNAI Lifetime Achievement Award Khoirom Bimola amadi laikhidraba Laishram Ibo Halda piduna ikai khumnaba utpaga loinana sobenar amasu phongke RIMS ki director Dr. Guru Aribam Sunil Kumar Sharma na makhatana hai member listing ahum leiraba chahi yankai suraba TNAI gumba association ama leiba haibasi nursing gi oina yamna chawthok cheningai ni nursing a lauriba thodang asi COVID-19 gi matamda miyamna khangnakrabani Manipurda nurse tambagi masing asi yamna urabasu ngasi Manipur khakta natana India gi maming leiraba hospital kya dasu thabak tawduna miyam gi seba tawri adubu India khakta natana malem gi oina nurse ki awat padi yamna leiri India gi oina lisingani ga kunmari fawbada nurse masing 4.3 million yohanba pandam thamlibani aduga WHO gi oina lising aniga kuntra fawbada nurse masing asi billion mapan yohanaba pandam thamlibani nursing nasu ana layengi maramda fagatnaba honabada hena mating pangduna anabasingbu thamoi sengna minung semadi kathokpa amaga loinana seba tawbiu haiki
3 nurses per 1,000 patients, while the whole country, India is having 1.7. And what is the ultimate sort of repercussion of having a low nursing patient ratio is like there will be increased workload, as we all know, increased or lengthy working hours, repeating shifts, and overall, over a period of time, what ultimately leads to is maybe, I don't say will, but maybe a little bit of poor patient care. So India needs about 4.3 million nurses by 2024 to meet the WHO norms of 3 per 1,000 patients. So there is 4.3 million is around close to about 50 lakhs, means 43 lakhs is a big number by this year 2024.